My experience of trying the first Korean ramen produced in Sri Lanka. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Annyeonghaseyo, I'm Nikoshi, a K-influencer from Sri Lanka, and this is my YouTube channel where I create content about everything about our beloved Korea. As for our monthly mission of June in the K-Influencer Academy 2024, our topic is Do you know the hymn of Korea? In today's video, I want to share my experience and how I get the hymn from K-food, especially the newly produced Korean Ramyeon in Sri Lanka. I searched for this Korean ramen from different supermarkets. I went to 4 supermarkets and still I couldn't find anything. But after a few days later, I found this in Cargill's, which is also a supermarket in Sri Lanka.
No, there are no Korean ramen. I went to 4 supermarkets, but still I couldn't find all of them.
So the price is actually a little bit low than I expected, and it is only 250 rupees, which makes it less than $1. So I think it's almost 1,001 in Korea. And I'm surprised that this brand Kottu, which is a famous noodles brand in Sri Lanka, makes this product. I'm so excited to try this one. And here's the regular ones, hot and spicy flavor, and I make this quite often. Here are some of my most favorite flavors of this same brand, but these are not Korean ramen. That's why I told you that one was newly produced in here. My favorites are cheese and onion flavor, and also this miris flavor, which is a very spicy chili in Sri Lanka. So these are my favorites when it comes to this Kottu brand. The Korean ramen here in Sri Lanka is a little bit expensive because the sellers are selling it for different prices. So I think for 250 rupees this is very valuable. Let's go and try this and find out if it's similar with Korean ramen or it's just normal Sri Lankan noodles. So let's go make it! So without wasting any time, let's try this. It looks a little bit spicy to me. Let's try it. These are a little bit spicy and I like spicy ramen. I think this is gonna be my new favorite ramen in Sri Lanka. Oh, the spice level is so good. I think this is one of the best things. So I love making Korean food at home and trying them out. Also, the meaning of is high spirits, fun and excitement. I'm so excited to try this, and also it is so much fun to make and also to try them with your family and also friends. And also making and trying Korean food can make my spirit goes high. I think definitely this one is hung for me. Let's try some kimchi which I made from Sri Lankan cabbage. The taste goes so well with the ramen. And also let's try some fried chicken which I made at home. These are so good. These are so good. And also let's try some radish I made, which is also very famous in Korea. They eat radish with Korean fried chicken. This is so good. I love this. So good. This is way more spicier than I thought it would be and very impressive. This is quite like the Korean ramen. This is so good. My mouth is like burning. I'm also gonna share these with my mom so she can also get the hang of Korea with me. I hope you get the hang of Korea through my today's experience of trying Korean ramen in Sri Lanka, which is produced newly from a Sri Lankan brand. I hope you also get to try this new ramyeon, which is amazing. And if you are a spicy lover, you'll definitely gonna love this. Stay tuned with me for more K-food recipes and mukbang videos. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon down below so you won't miss any of the upcoming uploads from my YouTube channel. Like, share and comment. See you soon. 감사합니다. 사랑해. 안녕.